YouTube. Long time no see. I don't even know where to start. It's good to be back. Good to be back home. Good to be back in this car. I've been gone for way too long, as y'all who has watched the videos or who will be watching the videos, y'all see the last update video, well, at least not update, but upload that I made a few years ago. And even the way I look, braids, facial hair, all that. But yeah, that's not the topic of this video. The topic of this video, as you can see by the title, is installing the Hyundai Sonata mirror caps with carbon fiber mirror cap replacements. I'm just gonna jump into it. The items that you will need are, first and foremost, interior trim or interior clip trim removers. All right, ones along this line, some with, obviously edges like this, or ones like this. They will be good. The blue set I got at Harbor Freight for $6, and because they always have sales. And then the yellow ones I've had forever. I can't even remember where I got them. Okay, so you will need, let me bring the box over in front of me. You will need the mirror caps. All this came from Korea, if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna leave a link down below to the website that you can purchase these from. They're inexpensive and they look amazing, especially if you're going for the look that I'm going for. I never made a video, but I did replace the front grille with the carbon fiber and black mesh backing grille for the Hyundai Sonata, at least LF version of the car. But passenger side and then driver's side here in the box as well. But now we are going to cut to the mirrors. But here is the replacement. This is the original mirror, just to get an idea on how it would look. That is kind of how it's supposed to be. Now, when removing the caps, there are clips here, this clip here, this clip right here, and then there's a fastener kind of slides right here, and then a couple pieces that insert. Hopefully I can get you guys a good angle of what I'm doing here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start with this interior trim piece right here, or at least interior trim remover, and I'm going to start down here at the bottom and slide this, if I can get this in here, slide this piece in here and kind of work my way through and around. It's going to be hard at first. These caps have never come out, so if you want to make it a lot easier, take one, leave it there, and take another one and start working some of the clips. Come around for the last piece, right there. Awesome. Okay, so remove the old mirror caps. Okay, so for this part, you're not going to need any of the interior trim pieces. All you're going to do is just slide the cover back on. Right? So I'm going to start here at the top. First part of the video failed. It makes sense because sometimes there's a lot of differences between the American version of the Sonata, rather than LF or whatever, and the Korean or overseas version of the car as well. So mirror caps are a no-go. Forgive me for how I look right now, but I'm currently editing the video. It's been a few days, but I'm currently editing a video where I was attempting to replace the mirror covers with the carbon fiber ones I bought, and I noticed that the file where I had ended off the video, or at least the shot that I took, was completely off. Couldn't even see me. So coming back now to end this off, overview of what happened. Basically, the North American version is completely different than the overseas version that was sold, as you all saw from the different clips and pieces behind the mirror covers. But I failed, and yeah, but I do have a video coming after this with a in-home DIY project that you all may like. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, but now just to end off the video, hope you all got something out of this. I definitely did. Leave any bit of constructive criticism. If you liked it, leave a like, subscribe. There's definitely more content coming soon for the car. It's far from finished. All right. But y'all stay safe out there. All right.